Freaking stupid cat. Ah, yes. Now that I'm on duty, trying to eat like a pig.
Hey, who are you?
What the hell? Who are you? Some homeless guy?
Ooh, donut.
How'd you even get in here?
A donut.
Hey, that's my donut. Get back here. Oh.
Oh, nice show. Wow, did you see that harmless man beat up Pershing?
Yeah, that was crazy.
Yep. Oh, pervert!
Fine. Won't eat you anymore.
Oh. You guys need something?
What?
You guys need something?
No. We're just looking out for dogs, you know. Fuzzies, noodles, and Asian food, you know.
Oh yeah, that's what we're going to eat today.
You are? If you're gonna eat there, check out the new special that was made 2 weeks ago. Yeah, we're adding soy sauce to it.
Really?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Alright. I'll see you later.
Mm-hmm. Just see that? He's gonna eat the dog we caught yesterday. I see one. Get out! Get back here. Oh, no. Finish the job, Zebra.
Oh, grass.
I finally got you now. Oh! Zebras can jump that high? Whoa. He landed so far from where he jumped. Yeah, you landed so far. Come on, we gotta get more dogs.
Okay, right. I got a shortcut. There's more to cycle. First, I gotta start it up. Right, can you start it up?
How you started up?
Right, I got it.
It's not gonna work.
Could have never better plan.
Yes, I do.
Okay.
Just watch.
Right, this is useless.
What? Useless?
Yes.
Do you have a better plan or
Yes. Just watch.
Damn it, Zebra!
What?
This is completely useless.
Okay, I call out the flag.
Okay, I have a better plan. Just watch.
Okay. A bike?
Yes, you steer that side, okay?
Alright.
Alright, this makes you go faster than dogs, actually. Yes, let's ride! Wait, I think you broke your neck. Wait, you don't have bones.
I don't. Of course I don't. Look at this.
Just kidding. You do have bones. Let's go home.
No, I don't.
Ow! Oh. I broke my neck.
This ain't working.
I know it isn't.
Yes. Alright, I think I have a solution to our problems.
A solution.
Yes.
Alright.
A problem. Let's go. The trap shirt didn't work this time.
Okay, let's try a new spot.
No, screw it. Another spot. Yes, we worked all this work.
Yes.
Fuzzy will be proud.
Fuzzy is proud. What? Let's get him.
Looks like I found a solution.
Get him! Get back here. Get back here. You are escaping alive. No. Aha, I got you. Fuzzy will be proud. Hey, no, no, no. You're supposed to follow me. It's the rules, you know, of street dogs. Get back here. Hopefully Tyrone didn't hear that. Or Joe. Hey, where do you think you're going? Screw it. I'm gonna beat him down.
Ha! Yes, I caught this one. He's in a chain now. I have proof that I got him. Look at his forehead.
His forehead?
Yes.
What's wrong with his forehead?
I bashed it. What?
Oh! No! We must save them!
Hey! Segregation! Right! You deserve to be eaten. Yes, mission success.
We need 2 more dogs, so Fuzzy told me that.
You thinking what I'm thinking? Run! Oh, help! I'm being captured by the beast! Oh, Cheetor, finish the mission! Oh, Tara, we're about to get eaten.
Yes.
We gotta push forward.
Yes, we must keep pushing. Oh, time to finish the mission. The way Zebra taught me. For Zebra. Yeah! What's that noise coming from? Oh! Yes! Yeah! I completed the mission. Time to get these guys. Why they ain't pumpkins? It's a nice pumpkin pie. What the heck? Hey, get back here. Hey, you're not supposed to. Hey! You know, I'll get him later. Joe was sweet while he lasted. Oh, he's just right there. I must get him. Hey, where did that black one go? Dang.